morning, Stennis Daniels here. Let's zoom this out a little bit so you can read it easier. Start sugar browse application, so let's go do that. There's the browse application. And look at the top line for home wikis, bug schools activities. All right. Let's do that. It's loading. And activities, it's right there. It's loading. Okay, and let's try a new activity. The one I'm really interested in is actually Speak. I think that one's got some traction with students, especially if the user interface for editing the text interface is easy. Alright, so I'm going to download this. And I don't know where. Okay, speak11.xo. Continue, yes. Okay, download's completed. Cool. So let's close out of this. Installing apps or activities. Use the term Speak. And close that. This would be great if there was an audio component to that. Ooh. Okay, black ink on installing new activities. That would be a bug, I would say. Would you not agree?